The Hereafter 23. People will be commanded to cross the bridge which will be placed over hell on the Day of Judgment. This has been discussed extensively in Islamic teachings, such as the narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 6573. It warns that extremely large hooks will be on the bridge which will affect people according to their deeds. Some will be flung into hell by them. Some will be subjected to great torture before they cross the bridge. Others will only face minimal injury from them, and finally the righteous will not be harmed by them. Another narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 455, warns that the bridge is narrower than a strand of hair and sharper than a sword. The important thing to learn from this is that each person will cross the bridge according to their deeds. So it is important for Muslims not to neglect any duties if they desire to cross the bridge safely. They must sincerely obey Allah, the Exalted, by using the blessings they have been granted in ways pleasing to Him, as outlined in the Holy Quran and the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. One should not neglect this, and simply hope they will magically cross the bridge unaffected. In addition, the ease at which a person will cross this bridge will be a mirror of how much they remain steadfast on the straight path of Islam in this world. This straight path is the path of the Holy Quran and the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. Chapter 3 Ali Imran, verse 31.
Say, if you should love Allah then follow me, so Allah will love you and forgive you your sins.
Anyone who abandons this path will not successfully cross this bridge. Simply put, the more one remains steadfast on the straight path in this world, by learning and acting on the Holy Quran and the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, the easier they will cross the bridge over hell on Judgment Day. The straight path has been made clear in this world, so people are left with no excuses. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.